Guys, I'm gonna be explaining page 187 number 1 from unit 2. So there's two part A where we have to calculate the ball speed as it reached the bottom of the hill. So for part A, for given, they give you the mass, the height, which is delta y, and v1 and v bottom, and you have to solve for v bottom. First, you have to find the total energy ET, which, as you see over here, you just add the gravitation energy and kinetic energy, and those are the equations, and you end up with 87.7028 joules. And the second part would be you solve for the answer for the kinetic energy at the bottom of the hill, but you have to find EG bottom first. The reason of that it's because over here, to get EK bottom, you have to subtract ET minus EG, and to get EG bottom, you just basically do mg delta y, and because height at the bottom is 0 m, the final energy is 0 joules. And then you sub in the numbers on this equation, and you end up with 87.7028 joules. Then you finally sub in write this equation, the kinetic energy equation, EK bottom equals to 1/2 mv squared. You put all the numbers in, and then at the end you end up with V bottom with 26 meters per second. In the textbook, for part A, they round it to one significant figure, so that's why the answer would be kind of different. So for part B is basically you put all the given here, given with a mass of 0.43, delta y 18, v1 4.2 meters per second, and solve for the final speed, which is vf. So basically all the process is the same, but the numbers are different. So you basically put in ET equals EG plus EK, you sub in everything in, you find the total energy would be 79.722. And number 2, part 2, it's just part 2 of the question, would be also do EG, which I know is 0 joules, and then you get the EK bottom 79.772 joules. So at the end you put it back to this equation, and you end up with VF as the unknown, and you solve it with 19 meters per second. So basically the key of this question is to get the concept of total energy, the energies involved, basically the gravitational potential energy and the kinetic energy, and from there you can basically solve all the question 1A and B. So there you go.